This is Jared Simpson with MarineMax in Quincy, Massachusetts, today on a 2014 Sea Ray 310 Sundancer. This boat is powered with a pair of Merc Cruiser stern drives. It also has an optional bow thruster, Ray Marine electronics package with radar, cockpit grill, refrigerator below. This boat has been stored and serviced by MarineMax since new. Down below it's finished in the walnut wood interior, wood flooring option. Nice hull side windows. This boat is a camper canvas package with a full enclosure. It's about 240 hours on the engines. About 130 on the generator. If you'd like additional information, please contact us at 781-727-0629.